following my lovely lock picking nailed video, I thought there's a few things that I should stress so that there's no confusion. First of all, I forgot to mention, please don't start grinding your picks without wearing at least safety specs. Safety is the most important thing you can do. First off, people might wonder how thick are my picks. In millimetres, there's 0.69. In inches, they're 27 thousandths of an inch. However, once you have dressed away the filing part, it will come down to 25 thousandths of an inch. Secondly, this wheel, if you're right-handed, you tend to be on one side of the wheel and you might see the thing wear away. I would suggest you simply, every now and then, take the wheel off and turn it round. Thirdly, I forgot to mention that you should take away all rough edges, burrs, things like that off your final product. And fourthly, I want to emphasize that the main thing I'm looking at with torque wrenches is in fact folding them over to give me a better thickness to work with. This I could always thin down using my stone. You don't believe it's done? Well, there's one I've just done a short while ago. That's another I've just done. Don't forget to use a hammer to try and close the gap, or put it in a vise and squeeze it shut. I don't think it happens. Well, let me just show you with this small one. Right, take it a little bit further so that I can get pliers on it. Squeeze. Squeeze. Right. And simply bend it. I see a lot of things about using heat. I don't believe that's necessary. If you just go a little bit gently with it, treat it as if it was your arm. And the other thing I'm going to show you is, look how easily this cuts. But it won't look near the thicker stuff. Ugh. That's why you need to get a decent pair of cutters. Important, may I just finish by stressing again, please work safely.